Hello and welcome to RLR Excel Network. I'm your friend, and in this amazing and unique videos I will teach you how you can increase your looping speed using VBA. Alright, in my last videos we have learned lots of type of loop, and for example for loop, for each loop, do while loop, until loop, many types of loop we have learned. But when we put any loop, then it slow our coding, because for example, if I put the loop in, let's say, these five cell, so when loop will start to run this code, then it will first go to the next cell. Then whenever it will not update it properly or not calculate it properly, it not stops and it not moves in next cell. So we want that if loop complete in proper 5 cell, then it will update the excel sheet, and then it will update the sheet calculation. All right, for this, here I have taken an example of my sheet 2, and here I have taken almost 1,50,000 sales data, and for this, in next column I have created a serial number blank column. All right, and here I have already created a simple macro button, and if I will click on this button, then it will instantly add serial number against these cells. All right, so let me click the first. Here you can see now it is done, but it is not properly because it is circling instantly, so it means our task is not completed properly, so we need to wait while it not get complete. All right, so here you can see, while I click on this button, it's taking too much time to run this macro code, because when I put the serial number using loop, it go to the first cell. Now when we enter in first cell, it check the condition and enter the serial number. Then it updated the refresh sheet and it calculated the sheet, then it moved to the next cell. Now it again checked the condition, then it calculated the sheet and it updated this excel sheet, then it moved to the next cell. It means it do their work or their task until it's not get completed. All right, so we want to do that when this serial number task is completed, then only a single time excel sheet can be refreshed or excel formula can be calculated. All right, so how we can do this? For this, here I have simple coding of two line. Let's go to the developer tab, visual basics. Now here you can see I have written a simple code, so let me do uncomments first, and now let's run it again to speed up our looping code. All right, so now let me delete this serial number again, and now let's again click on this serial number. So let me check, it will give the serial number instantly than earlier I have done. All right, so let me check first. Now here you can see the serial number is inserted. All right, earlier than last. All right, so how we can do this coding? For this, we will go to the developer tab, and now here I have put it a simple code. All right, first is application dot screen updating. It means I tell you in my videos that if VBA code moved any cell, then it will first check the condition, then it update the whole screen, then it move to the next cell. Also, application.calculation code can do, if we move any cell, then it will calculate complete cell where it is standing, then it move to the next cell. So we have just stopped, because we have stopped the screen updating. Now we have stopped the excel calculation automatic from automatic to manual mode. All right, and now when our code is done, here I have done that in the last to application dot updating it to be 2 after completing the code, and application dot calculation code can be excel automatic. All right, so here I do the simple coding to calculate this. All right, you can also create this code, or let me create this again so for you can better understand. So for this, here I will take a simple sub. Let me, I'm taking a simple sub name, which is sub number. All right, and give the apostrophe symbol. You can put it any comments to understand your code. Now let me type this code we will use to insert serial number using do while loop, or we will speed up our loop execution. Any comments you can put for the understanding purpose. And now for this, here I'm taking a simple variable, let's say dim serial number as long. Here I'm taking a variable name is serial number and its data type as long. Now the serial number work is equal to 1. Simple. Now I'm taking r is equal to 1 because our data is starting from our Excel sheet from row 2. That's why I'm taking row r is equal to 2. Alright. Now we'll start our loop, so that would be do while cells if r comma 2 is not equal to blank. It means if this cell, because r is the row, 2 is the second column, if this cell is not equal to blank, then put the serial number here 1. That is the value of serial number data table. So put this cells r comma 1 is will be the value of serial number. Alright, that is automatically 1. Alright, if r2 is not equal to blank, then insert a serial number in r comma 1 cell, that is 1. And now let's run the row. So it would be serial number is equal to plus 1, and r will be is equal to r plus 1, because we need to move to the next cell. If next cell is not equal to blank, then add the serial number r plus 1. Alright, and now let's run this loop. So it will run while it not get any cell which is blank. Alright, here you can see the code is here stop because now this cell is blank. If this cell is not blank, then here we will get another serial number which is 1,50,001. Alright, so now our code is completed. Now we need to add our code to execute the loop faster. Alright, so for this I will type application dot screen updating is equal to false, because we want to stop it when it not get complete task. Alright, and the second one is application dot calculation is equal to Excel manual. We want to make it Excel manual. Alright, now in the last column, while our task is completed or our code is completed, we need to put it again into automatic mode. Alright, so that would be always Excel calculation automatic, and it would be true again. Alright, so this is code why you can create this beautiful technique to execute your loop faster. Alright, let me check again. So just go to the top and now right click on it and assign macro with number sub, and now just remove this, and now it will add the instantly serial number. Now here we have done some error. Let me check what we have done the error. Sub number do while cells serial number is equal to 1. Let me check the spelling, because we have done like spelling mistake. Here as you can see, here I have not put it the is equal to. Alright, now let's run it again. Now here you can see now serial number is working, and now it's going to put up. Alright, so it will take some half time than earlier code. Now here you can see our task is completed. So that's how you can create this beautiful code to increase your faster result of your loop. Alright, so I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, please like it. If you did not subscribe my channel still, please subscribe it. And if you have any query regarding this video, so you can just do the comments below of this video, and I will meet you next video to teach you something, another VBA topic to make you a VBA expert. Alright, so we'll meet you in next video. Till then, goodbye.